What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. I finally got my Vermihut set up, and now it's time to go ahead and make the bedding. They actually gave a small brick of coconut coir for this. So I'm going to use probably some of this, not the whole thing, because I do have shredded cardboard and paper that I want to add. Well, this is my first time actually getting a brick. I have used coconut coir in the past, so this is the first time that I'm using a brick. I have used coconut coir in the past, however, it was already loose from like Home Depot. I can't bust that, so it's all going in. I'll bring it back once this has absorbed some of the water. Getting this coconut coir all moistened up, it ended up taking about 15 minutes. I didn't use hot water. I used water that I already had in a jug that essentially I've dechlorinated. And if I squeeze it, you can see a few drops of water are coming out. But I still want to add my newspaper and my cardboard to this, and also coffee grounds. So I have the coffee grounds right here. That should be pretty good to start allowing this to start gaining some microbes before I add it to the Vermihut. I think I'm going to end up adding another handful or two of the newspaper. I got the coconut coir, the newspaper cardboard mixture, and the coffee grounds all mixed up. My final step is going to be to add a little bit of grit. So I have some ground up eggshell. And then I also have a little bit of azomite. And then my last little bit for this prepared bedding, some castings. These were castings that I've already harvested off of the other worm bin. It was the 1 pound red wiggler bin. So after this is all mixed and combined, I'm going to allow this to sit for a few days and just allow those microbes to start building, and then I can get the Vermihut system set up. Okay, so there it is. So this is how I prepared the bedding for the Vermihut worm tower. And don't forget, if you have any questions about setting up a worm bin, worm tower, regular worm bin, making the bedding, don't forget, drop it down in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer whatever questions you have. If you want to see the Vermihut when I put it together, I'll go ahead and I'll link it right up top here on the end screen. I'm really excited to get this put together and see how it turns out. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.